freshly baked from Bucky's. Guys, try nyo different kinds of sliced bread. I think this is cheese bread, raisin bread, sesame seed. Ayan, may mga palaman guys. Ayan, may bangkok pa nakalagay guys. Ayan. This is, I think it's round bread guys. And this is muffin. Very yummy muffin. Come on guys, you can order. It's only at Bucky's guys. Freshly baked. At kapag kayo ay hindi mahilig sa matamis, you can ask sa hindi matamis, lesser sugar. Ika nga guys. So yummy. Ayan guys, yummy, yummy, yummy yan. Sa Bucky's yan. Bili na kayo, order na kayo. Just PMS guys.